In this video, we will discuss the 5 best Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 cases in the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Torras Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Case. The Torras Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case is a fusion of protection and innovation. Its robust construction, fortified by 3x military-grade shock-proof certification and strategic airbag technology, guarantees your device's safety. The case cleverly integrates AS pen holder, enhancing productivity and creativity. While the semi-clear design preserves your phone's aesthetic, its slim profile ensures a comfortable grip. The standout feature, however, is its MagSafe compatibility, enabled by powerful N52SH neodymium magnets. This empowers you to utilize a wide range of magnetic accessories, even without the phone's native magnetic capabilities. The case fits snugly without adhesive, thanks to a unique design element near the speaker. Rest assured, the case doesn't compromise sound quality. Number 2. Jueshituo Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Case. The Jueshituo Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case delivers robust protection without compromising the phone's sleek aesthetic. Its 360-degree coverage, coupled with elevated screen and camera edges, safeguards your device from accidental drops and scratches. The case's standout feature is its metallic glossy bumper, which not only enhances the phone's appearance but also provides an excellent grip. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the case comfortably fits in your hand and pocket, ensuring a pleasant user experience. Jueshituo has prioritized durability with a military-grade drop-tested design and a honeycomb structure that absorbs shock effectively. This commitment to protection is complemented by the inclusion of a sapphire glass lens film, providing an additional layer of security for your phone's camera. Number 3. Sixbox Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Case. The Sixbox Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case is a meticulously designed accessory that prioritizes both protection and functionality. Its wallet-style design incorporates a discrete card holder, eliminating the need for a bulky wallet while securely storing essentials. The case's versatility extends to the inclusion of a detachable S Pen holder, ensuring your stylus is always accessible. Notably, the case offers robust protection with its dual-layer camera coverage, safeguarding your phone's valuable lens system from potential damage. Sixbox has paid particular attention to the delicate hinge of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, incorporating an upgraded semi-auto hinge protection designed to reinforce its durability. The case's practical features don't stop there. An integrated HD screen protector shields the device's outer display from fingerprints and scratches, providing an added layer of care. Number 4. Vaki Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Case. The Vaki Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case positions itself as a minimalist option for users prioritizing a lightweight design without sacrificing functionality. Its featherweight 30-gram construction and compatibility with wireless charging underscore this focus. The case's unique up-and-down link design is an interesting approach to securing both halves of the phone, though its effectiveness in real-world use would be worth exploring further. Precision engineering is evident in the case's design, with exact buttons, cameras, and port cutouts. The raised bezels offer essential protection for the screen and camera from everyday scratches, though more substantial drops might require additional safeguards. Vaki's commitment to customer satisfaction is commendable, as highlighted by its Lucky Gift Package initiative and responsive customer support. Number 5. Spidercase Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Case. The Spidercase Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case caters to users seeking comprehensive protection for their foldable phone. This case goes beyond basic bump and scratch defense, offering a three-pronged approach to safeguarding your device. The highlight is the military-grade hinge protection, featuring a twill anti-skid design and shock-proof airbags to absorb impact on this critical Z Fold 6 component. The case itself is crafted from high-quality, tough PC material, undergoing military drop testing to ensure your phone survives bumps and falls. To complete the 360-degree protection, a high-sensitivity 9H tempered glass screen protector shields the front display, while a raised camera lip safeguards the lens system. Spidercase backs its product with a lifetime replacement warranty and readily available customer support, demonstrating its commitment to customer satisfaction. If you prioritize a case that offers robust protection for all aspects of your Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Spidercase is a strong contender.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.